Richard Paskin from University Hospitals Birmingham. Today the major takeaways have been preparedness, how to balance off technical risks and people risks and have a plan in readiness for when, not if, cyber attack occurs. Yeah, it's been a very good day. We've had a very intensive day. There's lots and lots of information being exchanged, good group working, and yeah, now there's plenty to go and prepare. As far as the trainer goes, very knowledgeable, plenty of information handed over, lots and lots of materials, and yeah, lively and interactive sessions.